Now, is it your rig?
It is.
Now, on the positive side, you will record me pulling her out?
You want me to record her? You pulling her out?
That's
Yeah.
totally fine. That's what you gotta do. It's what you gotta do.
No, but I tell you what, I have 1,200 videos of people stuck behind one.
I'm gonna be one.
1,201.
I was this close.
But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get you out, then we're gonna have you drive back through this in low range full drive, and you'll see you'll get the confidence back.
Okay,
Oh.
Yes, please show me what I should do. I thought I.
I tell you what, well, see, when you put it in low range, you automatically turn the traction control off. But in high range, the traction control stays on. And it's just like
the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
The less it wants to do, and that's what we're doing to you. It's like one tire's spin, and the other tire's spin, and it just keeps like losing all your power.
Yeah. Yeah, I had plenty of people to offer it.
Get it 15 feet, and what we're going to do is stop the middle of the road, and we're going to go low range full drive and walk it through, okay? To start with, I want you to put in reverse. Are you in low range now?
Yes. Yes, you're in 4 low.
I think
Four low,
so,
she
but
says.
it's somewhere.
You're confident.
Well, because I was just in the driver's seat.
I was.
Jump in, start it up, look reverse. Give it just a tiny bit of gas. Don't go long yet, just a tiny bit.
All right.
Wait a minute, hold it.
Hold on.
Hold it. What part of a tiny bit of gas?
Tiny, tiny.
Floor. I'm not moving yet. Hold your brakes. Hold
Okay.
your brakes.
Okay.
Step on your brakes.
Got him.
Okay. That's not a tiny bit of gas. Tiny bit of gas.
He's making you independent.
Tell her tiny bit. Okay? Like, hold your brakes. You're still spinning tires. Okay. Don't do anything. Hold your brakes. Just that tiny bit of gas, right? Tiny bit. Tell her. Tiny
So wait
bit.
till I fill you.
This is going well. There you go. Also, good stash game. Very good.
Gently to the left. And I want you to just, now, see, right now your traction control's off.
Okay.
And you shouldn't have any problems. Put it down and drive. You're still in low range full drive, right?
Yes, it's
Okay.
still where it was.
Just gently turn your wheels left a little bit. Give a little bit of gas. Just go slow. Just drive her up to the approach. Now we got our confidence back. That worked good.
Down.
See, she popped out of gear.
Yeah.
You just popped out of 4-wheel drive is all you did.
You're just out of 4-wheel drive.
Huh? You popped out of full drive. Let me see what.
Low.
You popped, oh, did you touch that before you were out?
I didn't.
Okay.
touch anything.
Put it. Okay. Put it. Okay.
Stop. Put it in neutral.
Put it in neutral.
Stop.
Now pull all the way back into low range. Then put it in drive.
Yep.
Okay.
Now drive.
Okay, watch
Put
out.
it in drive.
Okay. You're not in drive, love. There
And
you
then
go.
easy.
There you go.
Okay, now to get it out of four-wheel drive, hold it.
Hang on.
She'll leave you here.
I know.
Hold it. To get everything out of four-wheel drive, what you want to do now, you want to put it in neutral. Okay. Put it in two-wheel drive, all the way forward. That's four high, I guess. And put it in reverse. Just back up just a couple of feet. That'll unlock everything. Just put it in reverse, back up a little bit. There you go. Now, just remember, you can drive all over out here. This is awesome four-wheel drive. Just gotta remember, in this soft stand, low range four-wheel drive.
Slow.
And
right?
never floor it. You want to ease into the gas. If you come to a stop, you want to coast to a stop. If you hit your brakes, you'll bury all four tires, and you got to dig yourself out of the hole.
Like we just did.
So you coast to a stop. Now you can go off road.
That's what. He told me
Did he tell you to put it in low range?
to. He told me to gun it.
Well, gun it, but you see, you couldn't have gun it in high range.